How to reduce noise in op-amp circuits. Imagine trying to listen to a whisper in a noisy room. That's what noise does to your electronic signals. Today, we're going to find out how to quiet down those unwanted sounds in operational amplifier circuits. First, understanding where noise comes from is key. Operational amplifiers have their own internal noise, which includes tiny voltage and current fluctuations. Resistors also generate thermal noise, especially when they have high resistance or get hot. External noise sources like electromagnetic interference or radio signals can sneak in and cause trouble too. Choosing the right components makes a big difference. Pick operational amplifiers that are designed for low noise performance. These are often labeled as low noise op-amps and are available at electronics stores for a reasonable price. When selecting resistors, go for low noise types and keep their resistance values as low as possible without affecting your circuit. This reduces the thermal noise they produce. Designing your circuit carefully helps too. Keep input resistances low to minimize external noise pickup. If you are using feedback resistors, try to balance their values to avoid adding unnecessary noise. For example, higher feedback resistors can improve signal clarity but also increase Johnson noise, so find the right middle ground. Filtering is another powerful tool. Use passive filters like resistors and capacitors to limit the bandwidth of your circuit. High-frequency noise can be cut out with low-pass filters, which allow signals below a certain frequency to pass while blocking higher frequencies. Adding a simple RC filter at the output can significantly reduce high-frequency interference. Good circuit layout is often overlooked but very important. Keep your circuit traces short and away from noisy sources like power lines or radio transmitters. Proper grounding and shielding can prevent electromagnetic interference from corrupting your signals. Use metal enclosures or grounded shields around sensitive parts to block external noise. Power supply noise can also sneak into your circuit. Use decoupling capacitors close to the power pins of the operational amplifier. These capacitors filter out fluctuations in the power supply voltage, giving your op-amp a steady voltage to work with. In real-world applications like audio systems or medical devices, noise reduction is essential. It helps produce clearer sound or more accurate readings. By carefully selecting components, designing your circuit well, filtering out unwanted signals, and shielding sensitive parts, you can make your operational amplifier circuits much quieter. This results in more reliable and precise electronic systems that perform better in everyday use.